Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 stuttering issue. So here's what you can do. If you don't have the NVIDIA app, you can download it from the Google, type in NVIDIA app, and you can download it and then click download. After you download it, or you can do the same for AMD, open it, double click on it, click on drivers, and then download the game ready drivers. If that doesn't fix your issue, you can re-download them, and then hopefully that should fix it. The next thing you can do also is go to system, turn off the G-Sync, click on here, and then if it's on, you want to turn it off, go to settings and turn off the NVIDIA overlay also. After you turn it off, you can exit out of this, go to search, type in settings. Once you're in settings, go to display, scroll a bit till you find graphics. And in here, you want to type in Forza Horizon 6. After you find it on the list, you want to expand it and switch it to high performance. If it's on the normal, or let the Windows decide you want to switch it to high performance. After you've done that, you can open right click on NVIDIA app and open it, and open the control panel. Go to manage 3D settings, go to program settings, and in here click here, expand it, and find the Forza Horizon. After you find it, scroll a bit on this till you find max frame rate. Click here, use global settings, and then click on, and then you can switch it to depending on your monitor and GPU, you can switch it to 60, 100, 120, 140 FPS. And then once you open the game, you can set in the game to unlimited, and it will limit it through the NVIDIA app. And also you want to disable any antivirus, MSI Afterburner, RGB software, some 3D rendering software, all of that, and then relaunch the game, and hopefully that should fix your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 stuttering issue. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.